Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Synder and Expensify. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two expense management tools. So to get started with the overview, Synder is an automation-driven accounting platform built for businesses that rely on digital payment from platforms like Stripe, PayPal, Amazon, and Shopify. It focuses on real-time transaction syncing, automatic reconciliation, accurate financial reporting. While it includes expense tracking capabilities, it shines most when integrated with sales and payment workflow. Talking about Expensify on the other side is a purpose built for expense reporting, employees reimbursement, and a corporate card management. It also enable users to capture receipt via mobile, automate expense categorization, and handle approval workflow, make it ideal for travel heavy teams and the SMBs with a multiple employees submitting expenses. And these two platforms are best for starting with what they are best for. So I'm starting with the Synder. It has an e-commerce or a service business with high transaction volume from multiple platforms. Then Expensify is best for companies needing an employees and employees expense tracking approval and a reimbursement. I'm talking about a quick overview about this platform, which is a overall verdict. So you can simply choose the Synder if your business sells online or collect digital payment and need a robust transaction level synchronization and a reconciliation with your account software. On the other side, you can simply pick the Expensify if your team need an easy mobile receipt capture, employees and expense submission together with the corporate card and tracking and automated reimbursement workflow, especially useful for travel, T&E, and a small to mid-size team finances operation. So that's it.